Hey, this is Jeff Williams of J.P. Williams Nature Photography. 1 o'clock in the morning in Lawrence County, Ohio. Just checked the website of the local TV station. It says there's 6% chance of snow for this hour. We've had about an inch of snow in the last hour. We're in Lawrence County, Ohio. If you look at the radar, it looks like it's going to snow for the next couple hours. Probably going to get 3 inches of snow. Hey, if you love snow like I do, this is a beautiful sight. If you have to go somewhere early in tomorrow morning, maybe not so great. Temperatures are supposed to drop down to single digits by this weekend, and then we're looking at another snowstorm. Crazy winter so far. Stay warm, stay safe. God bless.